Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Dee's Cute and Crafty, and I am back with 5 Easter decor pieces for you today. I'm super excited to be crafting for Easter. It's like Christmas for me. I have so much in my head that I want to show you guys. So this is starting out with a really simple one. You need one of the little buckets from Target Hotspot. I've got some pool noodle from Dollar Tree, various floral picks from Dollar Tree and Walmart. I've got one of the bunny butts left over from my Easter stash from last year. I've got some of my lace farmhouse ribbons, some reindeer moss. I have paints in the color lavender, white, I think it's called sunset yellow. And I have my Waverly ballet slipper. And I have some of those glittery eggs from Dollar Tree, but we're going to paint over those. And I also have some leftover skewer sticks from St. Patrick's Day. When I took the shamrocks off of them, I kept the skewer sticks because I knew I'd be using them in another DIY. So we're going to start out by putting those styrofoam eggs on the skewer stick. I love that they're already green, so I don't have to paint them. They'll blend right in with the florals. And I'm painting them pink, purple, and yellow. Yes, pink, purple, and yellow. You guys, now I'm going in with this farmhouse lace ribbon that I love from Dollar Tree, and we're just going to go around the bucket. Again, I got this from the Target Bullseye Spot or the Hot Spot, whichever you want to call it. They were $1 last year, and I just grabbed one in every color. And I put them in my stash because I knew I could use them for so many different things. So now I've got that bucket trimmed out, I'm just going to take some more of that farmhouse lace and just make a bow, tie it off with some jute cord, and glue it to the side of the bucket. You guys, thank you so much for joining me today for my first Easter video of 2023 and many more to come between now and Easter. I love you guys so much and I appreciate you for being here. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of the Cute and Crafty family. I would so love to have you here. And to all my old subscribers that have been with me for a while, you guys know I love you to pieces. Thank you so much, you guys. So now I'm going in with my pool noodle and I'm just going to stuff it in there. I'm not even going to hot glue it to the bottom because if you stuff it in there tight enough, you won't need to. Just going to put that bunny butt in there, trim it down a little bit more so it sits the way that I want it to. And I'm going to cover up my pool noodle with some of that reindeer moss. I like this one a little better than the Spanish moss because it's not as dry, so it's not as messy. And I like that bright, vibrant green for spring. So I'm just going to glue that down to the top of the pool noodle and tuck it in around the edges. And now I'm going to take my floral picks. Again, some of these came from Dollar Tree. The frosted looking lavender came from Dollar Tree. The other lavender that is not frosted came from Walmart. And then the little yellow flowers, I believe, came from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm just going to put my eggs in. And you guys, this is done. How quick and easy and cute is that? I love it. But is it my favorite of the 5 that I'm going to show you today? Nope, it is not. If you guys want to know which one is my favorite, you're going to have to keep watching. Moving on to DIY number 2, I'm going to be using my Dixie Belle Paint and Fluff. I have this ribbon from Hobby Lobby and some from Dollar Tree. I have some more of the florals from Dollar Tree. And this bunny garland, also from Dollar Tree, new this year. I'm going to cut off the purple buffalo check one. And I have some of this greenery from Dollar Tree as well. And one of the arched cathedral frames. I got that from Dollar Tree, and I will be using my Scrabble letters. And I got these from Dollar Tree and also from Joann's. So I just mixed them all together. Just going to start out by painting that center square in some of the Dixie Belle fluff, just because I didn't want to have to try to sand it or peel the paper off or any of that. But I needed something for my bunny to stick to, so I just painted it, made it a lot easier. And now I'm going to take those lavender picks, make sure they are glued together really well, gluing the lavender down into that greenery. And I'm just going to place one on either side of that bunny. Again, this is simple, quick, and cute. And is it my favorite of the 5? It absolutely is. I love this one, you guys, and I hope you do too. So I'm going to take my Scrabble letters and spell out the word blessed and just hot glue those to the bottom of this frame. I love that it is thick enough that it stands on its own. I don't have to use a tumbling tower block. And then I took my sheer purple ribbon and that, I think it's called chevron patterned ribbon, and just made a double bow. I'm going to take this greenery from the Dollar Tree. I found it, some months ago. And that's it. So this is it, DIY number 2. It's all finished. I think it came out super, super cute. I absolutely love it. And I was telling you, I found that greenery some months ago. I found it at a Dollar Tree I think I found it when we were at the Dollar Tree Plus in Virginia Beach, and I've just had it in my stash. So cute, you guys. Moving on to DIY number 3, I have this ribbon from Ofre, and I want to say that I got this from Joann's, but I'm not sure. I have 3 of the wooden Dollar Tree eggs that I've already filled with Dollar Tree spackle. I have some of the smaller Dollar Tree eggs, and I took some MDF and I made some little bunny ears, and I have my various paints in pink, purple, yellow, and white. I also have some of the vinyl letters or the peel and stick letters from the Dollar Tree. And I have 3 tumbling tower blocks. So I took some MDF board and I cut out 6 like little leaf shapes. They look like ears to me. So I have 2 for each bunny. And I have 6 of the eggs, again, 2 for each bunny, because those are going to be his little feet. And I just painted everything purple, yellow, and pink. And now I'm just going to adhere my peel and stick letters. And I did go back and Mod Podge them so that they don't come up. We want them to stick. So I'm taking my white Sharpie marker or white paint marker. I'm not even sure what this is. It works more like a Sharpie to me. But I got that at Dollar Tree. And I just did a light little drawing of the paw print on the egg before I started to paint it. I just wanted something to go by. I'm taking the back of that paintbrush and making my little dots. It worked out perfectly. And now that I have all of that done, I am just going to hot glue them to the egg. I'm just going around them with my pencil so that I know where to glue them. Just adding a little bit of wood glue, going around that with some hot glue, and then putting those little bunny paws right back in place. And then I'm going to do the same with the ears. I'm going to put them the way I want them and then draw a little line so I know where the glue should go and where the ears should go once I put them back. And some are straight and some are to the side. I didn't want them all straight. I wanted them to have a little more character, so they're kind of a little crooked, and that's fine. If you don't want yours crooked, then don't do that. But I did that purposely. And I took my tumbling tower block and I adhered it standing straight up. I usually glue them sideways. But I glued every tumbling tower block straight up and down vertically instead of horizontally because it fit better that way. The rounded bottom wasn't going to let that block sit the way I wanted it to, but straight up and down, it is perfect. And here it is, finished DIY number 3, and it is adorable. Moving on to DIY number 4, I am using that Farmhouse lace again, and we're going to do some hand lettering. I have my jumbo glue stick from Dollar Tree, one of the Love You signs from Dollar Tree. I have my gray rock in Hello Hobby and some white paint. And I also have my blush from, nope, it's not the blush. It is the Waverly Ballet Slipper. So I just freehanded a bunny. I saw one on my phone. I looked it up and got a sketch of something that I liked, and I just freehanded it from a picture on my phone onto this Dollar Tree sign. Then I took some of the craft paper from Hobby Lobby, and I cut out an oval. And the way I cut the oval out is because, as you can see me erasing this, I just really, really wrote over and over and over again really hard to deposit the graphite or the lead from the pencil so that I can then put my craft paper down and just get the oval shape. I just ran my fingers around and around and around that craft paper, pressing that pencil lead into that craft paper, and then I knew exactly where to cut to get my oval shape that I wanted for this bunny. It's a little cattywampus. It's not quite a perfect oval, but it's an egg. So, it is what it is. I love it. I hope you guys do too. So now that I have gotten my bunny all drawn out by hand with my pencil, I went back in with my um, Sharpie and I just made everything nice and dark. After I did that, I painted around the bunny in my Waverly Ballet slipper. And it doesn't have to be a perfect paint job because we are going to go around that with some of that farmhouse lace. Excuse me. With some of that farmhouse lace. And then I am going to take my glue stick and glue this paper back down. Yes, I cut into the paper a little bit. You don't have to do that. You can just make a hole and then cut that way so that you don't have that straight cut line through the paper, but you're not going to see it. It's going to be fine. So now that I've got that glued down, I am going to take my gator sander and get those edges off of there nice and crisp. And here you see me going in, roughing everything up, making it distressed. And I know a lot of people don't like distressing. I love it. If you don't like it, don't do it if it's not your thing. But please don't begrudge me of doing what I love. I like that look. So I'm just going to take my farmhouse lace and go around this oval wonky egg shape that I got going on and give my little bunny a bow. I'm going to take some of that farmhouse lace and make my hanger, and my bunny is done. I did take a little bit of that rock gray and just put a few little um, wispy kind of brush strokes of paint through the bunny tail just to give it a little bit dimension and a little bit of a different color from the rest of the bunny. But this one came out so cute. And here it is, DIY number 4. I'm telling you, you guys, all of these DIYs are quick and simple and cute. I just love bringing you things that are easy to do. If you don't have a Cricut or any way to do your lettering or any way to print out these designs, everything can be done by hand. You just got to take your time and it'll all work out. So you guys, I apologize. I lost all of the footage except for this last little bit of this DIY. I did not want to waste that paper that I cut the oval out of. So this is the other part of that oval from the previous DIY. And I just took my Sharpie and I wrote Hunt on it. I took a piece of MDF and I traced around the paper the size of MDF that I needed, and I got that all cut out. And I'm taking my jumbo glue stick from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to adhere the paper to that. I took some more MDF, and I made an arrow, and I took my Dixie Belle fluff and painted that, and then distressed it with my Gator sander. I have 3 of the Dollar Tree wooden eggs, and I just painted them pink, aqua, and purple, and wrote the word egg on the 3 eggs. Took one of the wooden carrots, painted it with the pumpkin and some of the leaf green. I took one of the bunnies and I just used one of the markers, my brown marker, and I colored the bunny in. And I'm just going to make this cute little sign that says egg hunt this way. I put one of the large tower blocks on the back from Dollar General so that this one will stand up. Again, I I don't know, I thought I was filming and I wasn't. That footage is not there. But this was quick and easy. I just didn't want to waste that paper because it was so pretty. So after cutting out the circle to go around the previous project, I thought I'd use this and make a big egg that says Egg Hunt This Way. It was quick and easy, and I love it. I hope you guys do too. So here are all 5 of the projects that I've made for you today. I'm so happy you guys joined me. I had so much fun putting these together. Again, they're super quick and easy, beginner friendly. Anybody can do these, and I hope you guys will give them a try. It's always a blessing to have you here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my content. They push me out a little bit more so others can see it because they figure if you like it, somebody else might like it. And that helps my channel grow. And for that, I'm always truly grateful. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one's your favorite. I love talking to you guys in the comments. You guys are so funny. You're so supportive. And I couldn't ask for a better group of Cute and Crafty members. As always, you guys, be blessed, stay safe, and until I see you in my next one, craft something beautiful today, you guys. Bye.